Ganda yun. Simok, sarap na yun.
So, ayan guys. Daming nakaabang. Dami niya nang pinapakain.
Pati adobo ko na
Ayan.
din.
Pati adobo mo. Ito, pagkain ng mga kuting. Si Whiskey, si Kidlat, si Jello, si Maple, at saka si Smokey, at saka kay Chuchay, at saka kay Jaja. Ayan, magkakasama lahat yung pagkain nila. Ayan, ito yung mga kuting namin. Ayan, ito yung mga kuting namin. Ayan si Maples. This is Maples. And this is Smokey. Hey, Smokey. And this is Casper. And that's Kidlat. And the other one is Whiskey. And this is... Hi, where are you playing? The litter sand. Get out in there. Ayan. Ay, umihi pala siya. Itong maliit na baboy. Ay, ito pala si Casper. This is Casper pala, sorry. So, that is Winter. Si Winter pala yun. Yung maliit na yun si Winter. Tapos, here inside is Jello. Where's Jello? Hi, Jello. Ayan, ang aming Persian na Arabo.
I wanna show Uncle.
And where's the other kitten? This is the other kitten I have. That one, that's Jaja.